Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, we are going to troubleshoot the issue if Vcruntime140.dll error you are facing, that is corrupted or somehow it is missing from your system. So we are going to fix this issue with the two troubleshooting step. So step number one is guys, so first of all I should tell you why you are facing this issue. If DLL file is corrupted inside your system directory, so this DLL file basically store in the C drive, and in the C drive Windows directory, Windows and system32. So this is the directory of this DLL file. So if I search it here, first of all you need to backup this. We need to replace the corrupted one. As you can see here, this one is the exact DLL. If you are not able to see the DLL, just go to view and tick hidden and file extension and name. Okay, and just we need to copy this file so that if something happened wrong in our system, so we can backup this DLL file. So go to another drive here, simply open new drive, okay, and backup here. So we have backup the Vcruntime140.dll file first. Now we need to replace this DLL file from our system. How to do that? You need to go to this website. This is a popular website guys. When you search here, it Vcruntime140.dll download, you will land into the first website, that is www.dll-files.com. just open this link, and once you open this link you will land into this page. Let me show you from the begin. Now once you land this page, you need to search here this file name Vcruntime140. just hit enter. Once you hit enter, you need to scroll down, close advertisement, click on this file name, again scroll down. They have also provided the block for this in order to fix the issue. So scroll down. Now in here guys, this one is for 32-bit architecture, and now this one is for 64-bit. So you need to download accordingly whichever version you are using. Let me press here the run command. How to identify it? Type here msinfo32, or you can press Windows plus R. Now in here we need to look for system type. So my system is 64 based PC. If your system has 32 based PC, you need to download this one. Okay. Now I have the 64-bit, so we need to download this. Just click on download. Once you click on download, as you can see, it has been downloaded. Now just open the extract it like this. Okay, once you have extracted this, double click on it, and this is the DLL file. As you can see here, you need to copy it as, okay, and go to the directory which I have already shown you, system32. Press S on your keyboard, and now you need to paste it here. Simply paste it here. If it is asking to replace like this, just replace file and destination. So once you have replaced this DLL, you need to restart your system, and after that your issue is going to fixed. If still have problem guys, somehow this step is not working on your Windows, so we have another fix for you. So C++ redistributable image is responsible for executing any program and other file exe. So we need to go to the Microsoft website. This case, this is a step number 2. When you search here Microsoft Microsoft Visual Studio C++. The latest version is this one. Go to this link. Okay, scroll down and again look for latest Microsoft C++ and hit the download option. This is the latest version here. Okay, once you have downloaded the for 64-bit and this is for 32-bit. Once you have downloaded accordingly, just run it, and after that your issue will be fixed. And also guys, you can download the older version if you have the older Windows or the system like 2013 2000 no longer supported, but still you can try them. So I'm pretty sure after applying these two methods your issue will be fixed. So I hope guys your issue is fixed. Then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.